When it comes to America's trading partners, the big three are Mexico, Canada, and to a lesser extent, China. Now U.S. President Donald Trump says he will target all three with tariffs, 25% for both Mexico and Canada, 10% for China. According to the Census Bureau, those countries account for 41% of all goods imported and exported from the U.S.
We have big deficits with, as you know, with all three of them. And in one case, they're sending massive amounts of fentanyl, killing hundreds of thousands of people a year with the fentanyl. And in the other two cases, they're making it possible for this poison to get in.
The White House did not release a complete list of targeted products, but Trump did say he would be imposing tariffs later on Canadian oil. Experts say that will cause gas prices in the U.S. to spike. And the countries have vowed their own retaliatory tariffs. Canadian officials have said they'll go after the states and companies that supported Trump's re-election. It could mean fruit from Florida, manufacturing from Michigan, or dairy products from Wisconsin.
If tariffs are implemented against Canada, we will respond. We won't relent until tariffs are removed, and of course, everything is on the table.
And Mexico is also promising retribution.
The U.S. consumers would be affected, in the first place, because prices would be higher, meaning prices would increase by 25%. Secondly, because there will be fewer available products, since if you put a 25% tariff on a product, obviously demand dwindles. Finally, there may be problems with the supply chain because such high tariffs have a ripple effect. That is, not only in the short term, but also in the long run.
President Trump has repeatedly said foreign governments pay for the tariffs. They do not. Importers do, and most often pass the increase along to consumers, which Trump seemed to acknowledge when speaking to reporters on Friday. That is what happened during Trump's first-term trade war, but that was when inflation was low. It's not now. Many voters cast their ballot for Trump because he promised to bring costs down for groceries and gas. Trump potentially gambling they'll still support him if he breaks the promise that was central to his campaign and win. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.